Hello students, welcome to the e-learning session, class 2. My name is Nisha Iyer. Today we are going to learn third chapter, Man versus Computer. The topics that we are going to cover in this chapter are Man versus Computer, that is the introduction part of it, difference between man and computer, and some similarities between man and computer. So before we start, we all know that computer can do many things. It is used in every area of life. It has made our life easy and fast. Hence, can it be better than man? Is it true? But how can it be possible? Man has made computer, then how can a computer be better than man? We know that computer works according to the instructions given by us. So without man, computer is just a dumb machine. So let's have a comparison. Now here is the comparison between man and computer. Now on my left, you can see the things that a man can do, and on my right you can see the things that computer can do. Now let us see the differences. Man, he relies on food, whereas computer, it needs electricity. Now man is good at reasoning and creating. He can create his own things. He can make new inventions, and he is good at reasoning. Whereas computer, it is good at computing and logics. So you give any kind of complex calculations, computer can do it very easily, quickly and accurately. Man, he is a good learner, whereas computer, he is better at multitasking. So that means computer can do more than one work at a time. Now let us see few more comparisons. Computer, it can remember many things and never forgets them. So this is one of the best feature of computer. Whereas man, he can remember few things, but after some time he will also forget. Computer does not make any mistake. Man can make mistakes. So whenever computer gives you a wrong result, that means man has given wrong instructions to the computer. Computer works very fast. Man works slower than a computer. It doesn't get tired, whereas man gets tired after some time. Computer cannot take its own decision, whereas man can take decision on its own. Computer does not have feelings, whereas man has feelings. And computer needs electricity to work, whereas man, he does not need electricity to work. So these are some of the differences between man and computer. Now can you still say that computer is better than man? No. Why? Because computers still need instructions to work. So instructions are given only by man. So therefore, man is always better than computer. Now let us see some of the similarities. Both man and computer, they have memory where they can store things. They can do calculations. Of course, computer can do complex calculations quickly and accurately. And both have brain to process information. So computer's brain is nothing but CPU. So here is a self-assessment for you. Identify the bubbles that are related to computer. And application-based question. Rashmi wants to know how a man is still better than a computer. So give one argument to prove that. You have a computer at home. Now just stand in front of your computer and do not give any instructions. See what happens. Does it work? So this will give you the answer. Who is better, man or computer? Thank you.